Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. So happy to be here with you all.
Yes, Paul, we have a super nice topic today. We're going to talk all about how our Sundays were. It was yesterday, right?
I loved my Sunday. It was the perfect day to relax and recharge.
Exactly. Before we start, please remember to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. It helps us a lot.
Yes, please do. And now, let's talk about how our Sundays were. Emily, let's start with the very beginning of Sunday. Waking up. What time did you usually wake up yesterday on Sunday?
That's a good question, Paul. On weekdays, my alarm rings very early. But on Sunday? Oh, no alarm. I love to wake up slowly.
Yes, me too. No alarm is the best. So, what time was slowly for you yesterday?
Well, it depends. Sometimes it's around 8 a.m., sometimes even 9 a.m. I just opened my eyes when my body said, okay, it's time. What about you, Paul? Did you wake up late too?
Oh, yes. Definitely later than weekdays. My internal clock usually woke me up around 8:30 a.m. or 9 a.m. It was wonderful not to hear the alarm. No rush.
Right? It felt so good to just stretch in bed and not worry about time. It was a true luxury, I think.
It really was. I think it set a nice, calm tone for the whole day. No stress, just peace.
Exactly. No beep, beep, beep. Just silence or maybe some birds singing outside. A much better start to the day.
Yes, birds are a much nicer alarm clock.
So, after waking up slowly, what was next, Paul? What was your morning routine on Sunday? Did you brush your teeth right away, or did you stay in bed for a bit?
Good question. My very first thing was to brush my teeth. Always. Then I usually went to the kitchen to drink a glass of water. It helped me feel fresh.
Oh, water is good. Did you read anything? Like a book or the news on your phone?
Sometimes. After water, I often sat on the sofa for a few minutes. I might check my phone quickly for messages, but not too much. I tried to avoid work emails on Sunday. And sometimes I read a book for 10 or 15 minutes. Just a relaxed read. What about you, Emily?
My routine was similar. First, I brushed my teeth too. It's important. Then I like to open the curtains and let the sunshine in. It made me feel happy.
Oh, that's nice. Good idea.
Yes. And then I often went to the kitchen to prepare some coffee. While the coffee was brewing, I might stretch my body a little. Not a full workout, just a gentle stretch. Sometimes I listened to some calm music too.
Oh, calm music sounded perfect for Sunday morning.
Yes, it helped me relax before the day officially started. No rushing, just enjoying the quiet time.
So, no emails for you either?
No, Paul, no emails. Sundays are for relaxing, not for work.
Okay, so you'd woken up slowly, done your morning routine. Now the most important meal of the morning, breakfast. What did you usually eat for breakfast yesterday, on Sunday, Emily? Was it different from weekdays?
Oh, yes, very different. On weekdays, it's usually quick. Maybe some yogurt and fruit. But on Sunday, I liked to make a special breakfast. I usually had coffee, of course, a big mug.
Big mug, yes. Important.
Yes. And I loved to have toast with butter and jam. Sometimes I made scrambled eggs, too, and some fruit like a banana or some berries. It was a bigger breakfast, a real meal.
Wow, that sounds delicious, Emily. Scrambled eggs are a treat. Did you eat alone or with family?
Usually I ate with my family. My husband and kids. We sat at the table, talked, and enjoyed our food without rushing. It was a nice time together. What about you, Paul? What was your special Sunday breakfast?
My Sunday breakfast was also special. I always had a big cup of coffee, maybe even 2. And I loved pancakes.
Oh, pancakes. Wow.
Yes, with maple syrup. Sometimes my wife made them, or I made them if I felt like cooking. We also like to have fresh fruit like melon or oranges. And sometimes bacon.
Bacon and pancakes. That's a classic. It sounds like a delicious feast.
It was. It's a time when we all sat together and just enjoyed the moment. No phones at the table.
That's a great rule. It made breakfast feel even more special when you were truly present.
So, after a big, lovely breakfast, what did you do next, Paul? Did you just relax? Did you sit on the sofa, watch TV, or check your phone again?
Good question, Emily. After breakfast, I definitely entered relaxation mode. I usually moved to the sofa. I might put on some light music or just enjoyed the quiet.
And did you watch TV or use your phone?
Sometimes I watched a bit of TV, maybe a news program, but nothing too serious. Or a light show. And yes, I might use my phone to check social media or read a few articles, but I tried not to spend too much time on it. The goal was to relax, not to get busy with the phone. What about you, Emily? Did you have sofa time after breakfast?
Oh, yes, absolutely. Sofa time is essential. After breakfast, I loved to just sit on the sofa. Sometimes I read a book, a real book, not on my phone, or I might just talk with my family. We often just chatted about small things or listened to music together.
That sounded very peaceful. Did you watch TV?
Not usually in the morning. Maybe a cartoon with the kids for a few minutes, but that was it. My phone usually stayed away. I really tried to disconnect on Sundays. It felt good to just be in the moment and not look at screens all the time.
Yes, I agree. Disconnecting is key to truly relaxing. It's hard sometimes, but it's worth it.
It really was. It made you feel more refreshed for the new week.
Now, Emily, for some people, Sunday is a day for church. Did you go to church, or did you prefer to just relax at home all day?
That's a good point, Paul. For me, I usually stayed at home on Sundays. I used this day to just unwind and spend time with my family in a relaxed way. No big plans.
So you just enjoyed the quiet of your home?
Yes, exactly. I might did some light chores like watering plants, but nothing that felt like work. It was more about enjoying my space. What about you, Paul? Did you go to church?
Yes, I did. For me, Sunday morning was usually for church. I like to go with my family. It's a time for reflection and community.
That's very nice.
Yes, it's an important part of my Sunday. It helped me to feel grounded and grateful. After church, we usually came back home, and then the relaxation started.
Ah, so your relax at home part came after church. That makes sense. It's good that Sunday can be different for everyone, but still a day to feel good.
Exactly. It's about doing what makes you feel refreshed and happy.
Okay, Paul, it was getting close to lunchtime. What did you usually do for lunch on Sunday? Did you eat with your family? And did you eat something special?
Oh, Sunday lunch is often a highlight for me. Yes, I always ate with my family. It's a tradition. We usually had a bigger meal than on weekdays.
Oh, that's nice. What kind of food?
Sometimes we had roasted chicken or beef with potatoes and vegetables. It felt like a special occasion. And sometimes, if the weather was nice, we might even had a barbecue outside.
Wow, a barbecue. That sounds wonderful. Very festive.
Yes, it's fun. What about you, Emily? What was on your Sunday lunch menu?
For me, Sunday lunch was also very important. We always ate together as a family. Sometimes we made something simple like pasta with a nice sauce, but often my mom cooked and she made something special.
Oh, a family meal by Mom. That's the best.
It really was. She often made a delicious chicken stew or some traditional Brazilian food, and we always had a fresh salad too. It was a big meal, and we took our time to eat and talk. It was a very happy time.
That sounded so comforting and delicious. Food made with love.
Yes, and sometimes we had dessert too, like a fruit pie or some ice cream. It was truly a special meal.
So after that delicious Sunday lunch, what came next, Emily? What were your afternoon activities? Did you take a nap, go for a walk, or do something on the computer?
The afternoon. After a big lunch, I often felt a little sleepy. So sometimes, yes, I took a short nap. Just 30 minutes to recharge. It felt amazing.
Oh, a nap sounded perfect. I rarely take naps, but I hear they are wonderful.
They really are. And after the nap, or if I didn't nap, I usually like to go for a walk. If the weather was good, I walked in the park near my house. It was nice to get some fresh air and see the trees.
That's a great idea. Exercise is good even on Sunday. Did you do anything on the computer?
Not for work, no. But sometimes I might watch a movie with my family or maybe a documentary. Something relaxing. And if I needed to, I might did some light house organizing like folding laundry, but nothing heavy. It was more about getting ready for the week in a very relaxed way. What about you, Paul?
For me, after lunch, I usually didn't nap. I usually felt full and happy. Sometimes I like to read a book on the sofa, or I might listen to a podcast, something for my mind, but still relaxing.
That's nice. Did you go for a walk too?
Yes, often in the late afternoon, my family and I went for a walk around our neighborhood. It was nice to talk and get some steps in. And sometimes, if my kids wanted, we might play a board game together.
Oh, board games are fun. That sounded like a lovely family time.
It was. And no computer for work, just for fun, like watching a movie or some videos with the kids. Sunday afternoon was definitely about fun and family.
Paul, you mentioned spending time with family. Let's talk more about that. On Sunday, did you usually talk with someone special? Did you call friends? Or did you just focus on your family at home?
Great point, Emily. For me, Sunday was primarily about family time. So yes, I spent a lot of time talking with my wife and kids. We talked about our week, our plans, funny things. It was a time to truly connect.
That's so important.
Yes. And sometimes we might visited my parents or my wife's parents, or they might came to our house for a bit. It was nice to see them. Did you usually call friends or visit people?
I usually didn't call friends on Sunday. I preferred to keep it a very calm day at home with my immediate family, my husband and kids. We might played games or just chatted or watched something together. It was just a relaxed family bubble.
That sounded very cozy.
Yes, but sometimes we might had family over for dinner, like my sister or brother, but it wasn't every Sunday. It was more spontaneous. For me, it was about simple, quality time with the closest people.
Yes, I agree. Quality time is the best. It's a chance to slow down and really be with the people you love. No rush, no stress.
Exactly. It made the week feel better when you started it feeling connected and loved.
Emily, as Sunday started to end, did you do any preparation for the new week? Did you plan your week, check your agenda, or organize anything?
Oh, yes, Paul, a little bit. I didn't do too much work, but I did like to do some light planning. Before dinner, I usually took about 15 minutes to look at my agenda, just to see what was coming.
Yes.
I checked my meetings for today and tomorrow. I made a short list of things to do this morning, so I didn't feel lost when I woke up. It helped me to feel ready, not stressed. What about you? Did you prepare for the week?
Yes, I did a little bit too. After dinner, I usually took a moment to organize my bag for work. For today, I put my laptop, my notebook, and my water bottle inside.
That's smart.
And I might also quickly check my email for very important messages, just to know what to expect this morning. But no long replies, just a quick check. And sometimes I might plan my clothes for today, just to save time in the morning.
Oh, that's a good idea, planning clothes. That saves time. So it was just small things, not big tasks.
Exactly. Just enough to feel organized and calm for the start of the new week, without feeling like I was working on Sunday night. It's about making Monday morning easier.
Yes, exactly. Small steps for a better start to the week. It helped to keep this Sunday feeling going into Monday.
Okay, Paul, the day was almost over. Now it's time for the night routine. What did you do on Sunday night? Did you have dinner, take a shower, read, watch a series, or go to bed early?
Sunday night. It was usually a quiet end to a relaxed day. First, we had dinner. Often something light, maybe leftovers from lunch or a simple soup.
Light dinner is good before bed.
Yes, and then I usually took a shower. A warm shower helped me relax before bed. After that, I might read a book for a little while, maybe 30 minutes.
Did you watch TV or a series?
Sometimes we watched a movie or 1 or 2 episodes of a TV series with my wife. Something not too exciting, just to relax. And I try to go to bed at a reasonable time, not too late, so I could wake up fresh today, usually around 10 p.m. or 10:30 p.m. What about you, Emily?
My Sunday night was also about winding down. We had a light dinner too, usually something simple. Then I liked to take a warm bath if I had time or a shower. It helped me feel clean and relaxed.
A warm bath sounded lovely.
Yes, and then I often read a book in bed. Or I might listen to a calm podcast or some relaxing music. I tried to avoid my phone in bed.
Good idea.
And yes, I tried to go to bed early too. I aimed for around 10 p.m. It's important to get enough sleep for the new week. No late night shows for me on Sunday.
So, no intense thrillers before bed.
Haha, no. Just calm, peaceful things to help me sleep well. A good night's sleep is the best way to start Monday feeling good.
So, Emily, we've talked all about our Sundays, from waking up to going to bed. It sounds like a truly relaxing day for both of us.
Yes, it really was. And we hope our listeners also enjoyed their Sundays and are feeling refreshed today.
Absolutely. So, dear listeners, remember that Sunday is a special day. It's your day to rest, to recharge, and to spend time with people you love.
Don't stress too much about work or chores. Take time for yourself. Do things that make you happy, whether it's reading, walking, cooking, or just relaxing on the sofa.
Yes, let Sunday be a day of peace and joy. When Monday comes, you will feel ready and energized for the new week. A good Sunday makes a good Monday.
That's so true, Paul. A refreshed mind and body will help you have a great week ahead. So, embrace your Sunday.
And don't forget, if you enjoyed this episode, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Mr. English Channel.
Yes, please do. And leave a comment below. Tell us, how did you spend your Sunday? What was your favorite Sunday activity? We love to read your comments.
Thank you for listening, everyone. See you next time.
Bye-bye. Have a wonderful week.